Damn, Blade, you going crazy.
I don't even talk too much, just shine. Shotty a tech, can't see my eyes. All this drip might cost you fines. Took my time, now I'm in my prime. She wanna ride at AMGs. Still don't fall in love with a G. I just want peace and stack that's neat. And in the crib, some left out the beach.
How many have?
Oh, I guess it's
small or large?
I guess it's small.
That'll be all for you?
Yep, that'll be all.
The total will be $323 at the first one down.
Okay, thank you. This cake is so awesome that I couldn't wait to get home to eat it. Like, I had to eat it right now. At least take a taste of it. So, let me show y'all why I rate this the number one. First of all, got strawberries in there. Second of all, even though the strawberries, I'm talking about, hold up, let me adjust that. Hired for a cameraman, but let me adjust that a little bit. Okay. Now, this here is my favorite. I couldn't wait to get home. I had to eat this now. And if you've been to Portillo's, you know that cheesecake hit different. It is so good. So, whenever you're in town and you're cruising around and you see a Portillo's, stop by. And get a cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, and you will see why it took me almost 5 minutes to eat it. Man, this is unbelievable. Now, I'm not a fan of the whipped cream, but The cake, oh my God. Mm. Bad boy gone. Yeah. On tomorrow, I demolished it. It's definitely out of there. Until next time, who knows where we'll go next. I did get something to drink. Hold on. Be right back. Oh. Magic. Got me a nice Dr. Pepper. Love root beer. You can't go wrong with a Dr. Pepper. I mean, A&W have it, but that Dr., man. Whew, that was real good. Until next time. Next time, we'll go somewhere. But right now, Portillo's got it on the strawberry cheesecake. And that Dr. Pepper. I'm sorry I didn't say you none. I was thinking about you, but I just had to, you know, get me one. Because some of y'all might not like cheesecake with whipped cream, strawberries. Me? And a Dr. Pepper? Ugh. Had to do it. And I also had to walk my trash and throw it in the trash can. Alrighty. Until next time, we signing out.